So here we go. Learning goal number 3, I can multiply mixed numbers. So you should be feeling pretty comfortable with multiplying fractions. Now we're just going to tie in mixed numbers here. So this should look familiar. Our steps of multiplying the numerators, multiplying the denominators, and then just reducing the fraction if needed. But what do we do if we have this kind of problem?
It's actually really easy. It's an easy fix. That's good news.
Oh, phew. So let's see. So once again, here's our friendly little steps that we have. And check this out.
Bam.
All we need to do is add just one more little step. And that is, if you have like a mixed number or something like that, you just have to change any of those mixed numbers into a fraction. So our 1 2/3 looks like this again. All we're going to do is convert that into an improper fraction. So now we have 5/3 times 3/4, and then go through the steps again, and you should get 15/12. And of course, you're getting so good at these that you notice, ooh,
we haven't done the last step, reducing the fraction.
Yes, we still have to do that yet. So now we have 1 3/12, so at least it's a mixed number. It's not an improper fraction, and then you're getting really good.
Still not simplified.
That now you can see that 3/12 can be simplified into 1/4.
Yep.
So that is all you need to do when you're dealing with mixed numbers and having to multiply them.
Which means you get to try one on your own now. So this time you have 2 mixed numbers, but the steps still apply. So go ahead and pause this and try it. If you need to rewind, or even better, look back at your notes and look at the steps and use those to help you solve, and we will solve this for you in just a second. Okay, so the first step is to convert them into mixed improper fractions. So 2 1/4 becomes 9/4. 1 5/6 becomes 11/6. Whew, it's a mouthful. Then I look at these and I'm just noticing, first of all, these numbers are really big. And I know we had to go through and simplify the last one at the end. So I'm going to look and see if there's any way I can simplify this before I even multiply. So if I look here, I notice 6 and 9 have a common factor of 3. So if I divide both of those by 3, I'm going to end up with 9 divided by 3 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So now when I go to multiply it across, I have to multiply such a big number. So when I multiply across, I get 3 times 11, and I get 33. 4 times 2 is 8. So 33/8. Now, again, improper fractions, so automatically this should be like, you need to make this, simplify it even more. So I'm going to turn that into a mixed number, and at this point, 1/8 is as simplified as it can be. So 4 1/8 is your totally simplified, beautiful answer. So now, hopefully you got that right. Now you get to try 2 on your own. So remember what this dot means. I know we've talked about what that means, but try and keep that in mind. Write the problem down, then go through and solve it. Please make sure you write it and number it. We're going to be looking for those tomorrow, but there's actually one more question to do. And it has to deal with our very frustrated, angry, puzzled penguin. He looks so frustrated. So he was trying to solve multiplying mixed numbers, and he just got really confused. So here's what he did. Your job is to look at what he did. Here's the problem: 2 1/2 times 1 3/5. So look at what he did. You need to first try and solve it. So start there. You try and solve it, and then look at his steps, because he went through. He pulled the whole numbers out and multiplied those. Then he added that to the product of the fractions. So it's like he did 2 totally separate problems. He multiplied the whole numbers, multiplied the fractions, then added those together, and ended up with 2 3/10.
I don't think we did that.
No, he did not do that right. We're giving you a big fat hint. He's wrong. So what did he do wrong? We want you to try and solve it the right way, and then figure out in words, write down what he did wrong. And then we'll be checking that. We'll be checking that and the 2 problems.